Hi, I'm Tim Malone. I'm with one of the training coordinators with the Pennington County Sheriff's Office, and I'd like to talk to you today about good hand hygiene. First, we'll come up to the sink here. We want to use warm water. We want to take and wet our hands first. We want to use plenty of soap. Make sure you lather your hands really well, interlocking your fingers. Make sure you're covering all surface areas. Take your fingernails, rub them against the palm. Let's get soap underneath the nails to help kill the bacteria underneath there too. Rinse your hands really well. It helps point your fingers down and rinse everything off. Don't splash your hands around or anything. Dry your hands really well. And use another clean paper towel. Whole process should take less than a minute.